Yes. What's going on, guys? This is Ben, aka Day Trading Addict, and I have another good video for you guys. Today, we're going to go over 1 minute scalping on US30. So let's get the party started. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, because over here, what I do, I help struggling traders take their trading to the next level and help them become full-time traders. I have 13 years of experience when it comes to trading these markets, so I know a lot about these markets. So I'm here to help you, all right? Now, let's get the party started. Let's go over these trades. Now, I'm going to show you guys some trades that I took this week, last week, and a couple of weeks ago. And basically, I'm going to go over the trades and show you why I took the trades and, how I'm looking at the market and how I'm scalping the US30. So let's get the party started. Right now, we are at the 5-minute chart. And, when I'm looking at the US30 or any chart, I'm not just looking at the 1-minute chart alone. Okay, I'm pretty much looking at that 5-minute chart for a little bigger view. And then I'm drilling down to the 1-minute chart so I can actually get that, good entry when I'm looking at that key area. All right, so right here we have a downtrend, right? And I like to wait for when the market opens. So this is where the market opens right here, 9:30 Eastern time. Let's actually mark that down real quick. So this is 9:30 right here, right? That's when the market opens. And I'm waiting to trade after the open. I really don't trade before the market open because, the volatility is not there. Pretty much the volume is right at the open. So guys, if you look at this right here, we was in a range, right? And we finally broke that range when the market opened. And basically, overall, the market is trending down. So I'm looking for shorts, okay? Now, we have this nice supply area right here. Okay, if you don't know by now, I trade supply and demand. So let me mark down that supply area right quick. So we have this nice supply area right here, guys. Right? So on the 5-minute chart, we hit this key area right here, and I decided to drill down to the 1-minute chart. So let me show you guys the 1-minute chart. So this is the 1-minute chart, and this is a trade I took right here. So we have that supply area right here. Okay. Now when price actually hit this area right here, I was looking at the 1-minute chart and basically, staring at it. And if you look out right here, we basically was stalling out. We couldn't, go up higher. We was making lower highs right here. And we finally was going down right here. I got in, okay, and my target was the lows right here, okay? So I got out at the lows, and that was a good trade right there. So let me show you guys another 1-minute scalping trade. Okay, guys, so this is the next trade right here. This trade was basically this week. So overall, the market was going up, and this is where the market opened right here, and we shot up real quick. We had resistance right here, and pretty much it was supply to the market reacted to this area, and we shot down. Right now, when the market shot down like this, me personally, I wasn't really looking for any trades right away. So when the market popped up, okay, I started to realize, okay, we, have a possible inverse head and shoulders. So I was looking at this area right here. So if you zoom in real quick, okay, we have a nice little, demand area right here. And I was looking for trades around that area. So let me show you real quick. So this area right here, guys, I was looking for trades around this area because I was basically looking at the inverse head and shoulders, and we had this nice demand area right here. So let's go to the 1-minute chart. Okay, guys, so this is the 1-minute chart right here. Now, my first trade was right here. Basically, we was bouncing off this demand area right here. I got in, and as soon as we broke this high and we came back, I got out because I didn't really like the price action. So I got out for a break even, okay, and came back, right? And basically it was holding this demand area right here. Now I'm gonna show you something real quick. Basically, let me actually zoom in so you guys can see. If you notice right here, we actually made a new low, but sellers couldn't push the market down, and next thing you know, we have buyers coming back in. So that right there, that was a sign for me to get in the market. So I got in right there, and my target was right here. So let me show you guys. Let me go put that long position. If sellers really wanted to push this market down, we would have more selling than this. As soon as we broke this low, we popped back up. I got in, and my target was this swing high right here. I felt like we could at least go to this swing high right here, okay. And while I was waiting for my target, we shot up pretty good. Everything was working, and then next thing you know, it came right back to my entry. I had to stop out for a break even. And, guess what? As soon as this, got me out for a break even, it shot back up and went to my profit target. But guess what, guys? It is what it is. That's trading sometimes. Sometimes it will come to your break even and, continue to go back up. It is what it is. But overall, that's how I was looking at the market that day. This day right here was a slow day. You could tell that the market was a little bit, slow and choppy. But if you still understand price action, still understand what the market is trying to tell you, you can still grind it out and still make profits these type of days. But overall, this day I didn't make any profits with this market right here. But, at least I got out for a break even. So let me show you guys another trade. Okay, guys, so this trade right here was this week also. Okay, so this is actually when the market opened right here, and we pushed up and we tried to make a new high. We actually did, but sellers came in, okay, and pushed down the market. If you look at this, guys, basically we was ranging right here. We broke out of that range, okay. So after that, I was looking for shorts, right? So what do I see? I see aggressive selling right here. So we have a nice supply zone right here. And then I went to my 1 minute chart. So let me show you guys the 1 minute chart. So this is the 1 minute chart. Okay. Price came, to that supply area and sellers came in. We actually made a lower high right here. So I can tell that overall buyers was getting weak around here. I got in right here. Okay. So let me show you guys that. So pretty much I got in right here, went short, and my target was the lows right here. Okay. For a quick scalp, and I was out of that trade. This was a nice trade, straight to the point, and pretty much it worked right away. So that was a good trade. If you guys don't understand supply and demand, I do have a supply and demand indicator. Actually, let me show you guys this indicator real quick. So right here we have the market going down. So you only want to look for supply. Okay. So this indicator, you can actually click on supply or demand whenever you want to. So you click on supply. Notice how the market is showing you supply zones. Now, this indicator also will show you long confirmations or short confirmations, right? So since we're going down, we only want to look for shorts. If you notice right here, we have this supply zone right here, okay? So price came into that supply zone. You turn on your short confirmations. Notice how this is the zone right here. Came into it. It gives you short confirmations. You can put your stop loss, above that zone, and you get in for a short and look for profits. So this will help beginners out a lot, especially if you don't understand where to look for supply and demand, and the short confirmations or the long confirmations will help you get in the market, especially if you force trades or you don't know when to get in. So this indicator will help you with that when it comes to just looking for key areas and when to get in. Okay, and later I'll talk about how to get this indicator. So let's go to the next trade. All right, so here's another trade that I took this week. We had the open right here. The market opened right here. Pretty much we had a level. Let me show you guys this real quick. We had a support level right here. It broke it and it shot right back up. Okay, so we are above support. And the market was just pretty much going straight up anyway. So what I saw was a demand area right here, guys, right? So I saw this area right here, and as soon as price got to this area right here, guys, I went to my 1 minute chart. So let's go to that 1 minute chart. Okay, so this is the 1 minute chart. Now, we had demand right here. Okay. Now, at first I was looking for longs, but I saw right here the market was stalling. Okay, we were trying to go up right here, but we were stalling, so I took a short right here, right? And I was looking for the market to go to this low right here. It got really close to the target, but it bounced right back up. So when it bounced back up, I got out for a break even, and I pretty much switched my bias and I went long. Okay, because right here we still have demand. And when I took this trade, I knew, okay, that it was a possibility we could react to this demand area. So I was prepared for that anyway. So when we popped up right here, that tells me that this demand area right here was working. And, you know, it's time to switch. And as soon as we went above right here, I went long, okay? And my target was pretty much the highs. So I was looking for that high right here. Now, when we came back up right here and then we pulled back, let me show you guys this. When we pulled back right here, and then we popped up, let me move this over here so you guys can see. So when we pulled back and then we shot back up right here, okay, I noticed that, you know, buyers was coming in the market. So I actually added some more to this position, okay? And then we popped up. We were slowing down right here. It almost came back to my entry, and pretty much if it did, you know, it would be a break-even trade. But it came back, and buyers came back in the market, and then we broke this high, and I got out for my profits. And then as soon as it broke the high, guess what? It just shot back down. So that was that trade. Overall, it was straight to the point. The market was, you know, shooting up. It was looking bullish. At first, I just took a quick scalp, you know, to the downside. But overall, I was looking for longs. We popped up, and I took that long, and just for that quick scalp to the high, and I got out. All right. So let me show you guys one more trade, and we're gonna wrap this up. Now, this is a trade that I took today. Okay, this is the US30 5-minute chart. Pretty much, this is where the market opened, and we was trending up right here. So I was looking for longs. We had a nice demand level right here. Let me show you guys. So when we went to this demand level, I actually went to my 1-minute chart. So let's go to the 1-minute chart. All right, so it came to the 1-minute chart, and notice how we had this big sell right here, this big seller right here, and it snapped right back up. That tells me that sellers is drying up, buyers is coming right back in the market. So when I saw that, I got in the market and I went long, okay? And this was for a quick scalp to the highs, and I got out. After that, we had another demand. Let me go to 5 minutes to show you. So we had another demand area right here. Okay, so I was looking for price to come to this area right here. And when price came to this area, I went to that 1-minute chart. Okay, and pretty much I was waiting to see what price was going to do. So right here, we have price going lower right here. And it's trying to go lower, right? And then we had this nice pop right here. So that's when I actually went long. Okay. Right here. And my target was the highs. So I was looking for the highs. And unfortunately, you know, we actually almost went there. But, you know, it is what it is. It came back reverse and smacked me out for a break even. Okay. Now, let me show you guys this trade. Here's where it gets very interesting, right? So when you trade, well, I teach my traders, okay, how to be flexible when it comes to trading. You can't always just think about your bias. You have to understand what the market is doing. So, yes, we have demand right here, but at the same time, okay, you have to understand that the market itself doesn't have to always go up, and it doesn't always have to go down. Okay, so right here we fell at the high, so that tells me it's a strong possibility that sellers don't want to even bring the market up. So I see buyers right here struggling, so I actually went short. So let me show you guys right here. So I went short right here. Okay, And like I said before, I teach my students how to do this stuff. If you are new to the markets and you don't understand this, don't worry about it. You can definitely understand this. You just have to get the right training. But overall, I went short right here. Okay. And let me move this over here. So I went short right here. And let me show you this. Okay. The market was going my way. I actually put my stop to break even, right? Because the market went all the way down here. My target was this low right here. Now, when it came back to my area, okay, my break even, I actually moved my break even back to the high, back to where I originally had it, right? The reason why is because we had a nice, supply area right here. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna see how price reacts to that area, okay? So price actually came to that supply area right here, okay? And then the market stalled and it started to go back down. So I got my profit all the way back to here. And, I was happy. So when it comes to scalping and trading the markets, sometimes you just really have to understand the market is in control and you have to go with the market. It's not about you. It's not about your bias or what you think the market is going to do. It's what the market is doing right now. Okay. So I'm glad I'm actually showing you guys this trade because some of you guys probably don't understand how to trade like this yet. Don't worry. Once you get used to this stuff and practice, you definitely get to this level. But that's how I was looking at the market today. As soon as we broke this low right here, guess what? The market shot up back up and it just went crazy. Okay. But overall, guys, those are my trades. Actually, let me show you a couple of trades that my students made a couple of days ago. These are my students right here, killing it the other day. Basically, understanding the market. Once you understand the market, guys, you will start to see the same patterns repeat themselves. Okay, these are all my students right here. This is actually my trades. Another student right here. Okay, so guys, those are my 1 minute US30 trades for this week and last week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join my free Telegram group. Go and check out my trading program because I show you guys how to become full-time traders. And the custom indicator that I showed you guys earlier, that indicator comes with the training program. All right. And comment below, guys, because I tried to answer all your guys' questions. Thanks a lot for watching this video and please have a great day.